For this video, we are going to compare Airalo and Nomad. So both of them are eSIM providers and also both offer robust solutions for travelers which are seeking flexible and affordable connectivity. So first for the Airalo, I have the link in the description down below. So if you want to access or use Airalo, you can use the link that I have in there. So again for Airalo, so Airalo is a prominent eSIM provider with a coverage of 200 plus countries. So it is also known for its competitive pricing and user-friendly app. So myself, I have used Airalo, so I can see that the downloading process and the usage of the app is fairly easy up to the managing of its SIMs through its app. So as you can see right here on the page or on their web page, as you scroll down just a little bit, you'll be able to see the list of the countries. So these are only the popular countries. But if you want to see the full list, just click this show plus countries right here. So that's that. So for Airalo, it also has a wide range of data packages at competitive prices. So also again for the installation of the app, it is fairly easy and the management of the eSIMs, the app. And for the Airalo, it offers local, regional, and global eSIMs, which can cater different needs when it comes to its users. So if you want to get regional eSIMs, you can do so by clicking onto this section right here and then just select from the options. So you have Africa, Caribbean islands, Latin America, North America, Asia, Europe, and Middle East and North Africa. And for the global eSIMs, you can see this right here. These are the packages available for you if you want global eSIMs. So the prices can range from $9 up to $69. So the prices will depend on the coverage, the date, and the validity of it. So just choose whatever works best for you. And then that's it for the key features. So again, the strength of this Airalo is that Airalo's broad global coverage makes it ideal for travelers visiting multiple countries and also for the affordable plans, especially for the multi-country region. So the app simplifies the process of purchasing, installing, and managing eSIMs. But one weakness that I can say to you is that about its customer support. So you can access the customer support from their web page on the bottom right corner of your screen by clicking this icon right here. So the response time can be slow, though the issues are generally resolved effectively. So that's that for the Iralo. Next one, what we have here is the Nomad. So Nomad provides eSIM services in numerous countries, focusing on ease of use and the competitive pricing also. So one of the key feature of it is the wide coverage. It is available in many countries, though it is not as extensive as Airalo. So it is only available for 170 plus countries, and it offers variety of reasonably priced data packages, so you can access those packages by clicking onto the section right here. So it also offers easy installation and management through the app and specific plans for individual countries and regions. So you can check all the offers by clicking onto this section right here. So again, for the strengths, the app is intuitive, making setup and management straightforward. They're responsive and quick to resolve issues via the live chat also. And then the attractive pricing, particularly for single country plans. So if you need to go to China, just click this section right here. And that's that. So for the weakness, I will say that Nomad, it is as I said earlier, it has slightly fewer countries covered compared to Airalo and the occasional slower speeds in remote areas. Now for the head-to-head comparison, I will say it again. So Airalo excels with its coverage in over 100 or 200 plus countries, while Nobed provides solid coverage but in fewer countries. So this makes Airalo more suitable for global travelers. And then for the pricing, so both providers offer competitive pricing, and Airalo's regional and global plans provide great value for those traveling to multiple countries, whereas Nomad single country plans are beneficial for short term or single destination trips. So both apps are user friendly, but Nomad edges out slightly with more responsive customer support, providing a smoother overall experience when issues arise. So, as a conclusion, personally, Airalo is superior or more superior choice for travelers needing extensive global coverage and reliable connectivity across multiple countries. So its broad reach and competitive pricing for regional plans and even global eSIMs or global plans can make an excellent option for frequent and long-term travelers. And so that's it for today's video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.